right, so looking at figure 358, I want to figure out the size to start with. And I could see that I have a dimension of 5 and 2.5 from the center of all of the circles. These all have a radius of 1. So this is going to be 5 plus 1 plus 1, so 7, and 2.5 plus 1 plus 1, so 4.5. So I'm going to start by making a 7 by 4.5 rectangle. My corners have a fillet of a radius of 1. So I'm using the fillet tool. F, enter. R, enter for radius. And now type in my radius measurement of 1. Left click on the 2 lines, creates my fillet. Press enter again, brings up the fillet tool, and it remembers your measurements. So I keep filleting around. I'm just pressing enter in between to reselect the tool. I have 4 holes that are a 3/4 drill, so 3/4 diameter. So I'm selecting the circle tool, C enter. I'm snapping to the center point. I need to type D for diameter and then 0.75. If you press enter, it brings you right back to the same tool. Press enter a second time once you select your point. It will draw the circle the same exact size. In the center, I have a 3-inch circle with a slot running through it and a keyway. So I'll just add 2 center lines here. The circle, again, is a diameter of 3. So I click in the center, D, enter, 3, enter. These, for the slot, are all in line with the center lines. It's a 3/4 diameter as well. So I'll select the circle tool, going to transfer this point down, find out where it intersects, de-enter, 0.75. Same on this side. So I'm waking up this center mark, moving my cursor straight down, finding my intersection, pressing enter. And now I just need lines across from quadrant to quadrant. And I can trim. Now I need the keyway. It's 3/4 wide by 3/8 of an inch tall. So I actually trimmed away a little too much. I'm going to redraw this line back in and offset it 1/2 of 3/4 to the left, 1/2 of 3/4 to the right. So I'll enter. 1/2 of 3/4 is 3/8. So O enter, number enter. Now it's 3/8 tall at the point of intersection with the circle. So I find out where this intersects, line up, 3 divided by 8, draw over. I could do the same thing on the bottom or mirror it. So 3/8. I'm just tracing those so I could delete these lines after and trim. Later I would add center marks, but I want to go and do that